coins. What is Celo? How does it help? What does it here to change in the ecosystem? Please take us through Celo.
Okay, so I'm just going to highlight this problem that has been in the blockchain space for a long time now, and that is a lot of people have been afraid to get involved because they look at blockchain as very complex, right? And to get involved, you need to have sophisticated gadgets, right? And so also the blockchain, the technology is not really friendly. And also sending money through maybe even crypto wallets sometimes could be confusing for a lot of people, because the wallet address itself is a hexadecimal numbers. It contains numbers and letters, right? It's not something you can even memorize. So what Celo has done is that Celo is a platform. It doesn't, like I said, doesn't belong to anybody. It's a blockchain, right? But Celo's approach is what they call mobile first. So mobile first allows anyone with a smartphone, a budget smartphone, to be able to participate, right, in the blockchain ecosystem, right? And also making it so user-friendly that you can send cryptocurrencies just by using a cell phone number. So if you have the Celo app on your phone, right, the Celo wallet, which is now in progress, you can easily send cryptocurrency to your contact, and that is Celo dollars or Celo to your contact, right? And this can be cashed out through different cash in, cash out agents, isn't it? So it's really, and also the whole idea of Celo is to really build tools, right? Allow people to build tools that really create the conditions of prosperity for everyone. So the mission is really financial inclusion. And also Celo has an alliance for prosperity, and this is more of vision-aligned organizations that have come together. So Celo has 100, right now they have 100 alliance members, and they're looking for more. The United Africa Blockchain Association is part of the Alliance for Prosperity. And these vision-aligned organizations, including the Grameen Foundation, including Mercy Corp, all these humanitarian organizations. Even Jack Dorsey, the owner of Twitter, is part of this Alliance for Prosperity, right? So Celo is a blockchain with a stable coin, and also it's a mobile first, it has a mobile first approach to make being part of the blockchain ecosystem very simple, and really working towards financial inclusion, and that is also bringing real usability of blockchain in different use cases. Like I mentioned, Celo has a grants program for people who want to apply for a grant, and maybe they have a startup or an idea. They have Celo Camp, which is an incubator for startups. They just offer this platform, and they also offer guidance. If you want to build an application, they can avail certain resources to you, including human resources, right, to help you succeed. So